So welcome back once again, guys. It's Arbitrage Genius. As promised in the last video, I said I'll do a video on step-by-step guide on how to create an OKX account. So for those that haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now, and don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share this video. So as you can see right now, I have the OKX application opening up. For those that don't have the application, kindly go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store to download the application. I will also demonstrate that right now. So I'm in my Google Play Store. So I will just go to the search app and input OKX. So let me click on OKX right here. As you can see, that's OKX. But because I have the application already installed, so that's why I'm having the option to open. But for you guys that don't have the application, you have to install first, then you click on open to open up the application. So I've opened up the application. So I'll click on the sign up button right there. So let me do that. Let me click on the sign up button, and yes, so a page like this will open up where I can sign up or create an account either with my phone number or with my email account. So I prefer to go with my email. So let me input a test email account for the sake of this tutorial. I already have an OKX account, so I'll just create another account for the sake of this tutorial. So for you guys, I will put my referral code in the description box so you can create an account using my referral code. So after inputting the referral code and your email address, so the next step is to click on that sign up button. So now it's opening up. Let's wait for it to fully load up. Sorry guys, I'm actually having a network challenge, so kindly bear with me. So when it's I'll just pause the okay. Yeah, so it has fully loaded up. So we have to go through this capture page where we select the images as they are in order in the picture above. So this one, two, and that's the third. So I'll click on OK, and let's wait for it to load up. Yeah, it's now loading. Yes, and OTP is now sent to the Gmail address I use for the verification. So I'll go to my Gmail right now, get the code, and get back to you guys. I just input my code, and after that you'll be prompted to a page like this where you input your country of residence. So I'll do that. I'm in Nigeria, so I'll input Nigeria, and on norms it automatically updates itself based on your browser IP and your location and all that. So now after I've chosen the right country, then I'll click on next, then I'll click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, a page to create password will open up. So you have to follow and ensure the criteria listed. So I've input my password, and then you'll be redirected to the login page once you are done inputting your password and create an account. So you'll be redirected to this page where you input your email account again, then you click on next. Then let's wait for the page to load up. Sorry guys, my network is kind of bad. Yeah, so it has fully loaded up. I've input my password. Then the next step is to click on login. So once you click on login, you now be redirected to your OKX dashboard as shown right here. So as you can see, verify account is very important. No, I'll be mentioning this, guys, for all this trading platform, transaction platform, which will involve you transferring your assets into it or withdrawing. You have to ensure you verify your account first. Ensure your account is verified. So this prevents premium tiers at the end of the day, because most of this platform, if you don't register, or sorry, if you don't verify your account and you transfer your funds into the account, at the end of the day, when you are trying to withdraw, you might realize that you don't have the type of identity the need for verification. At times, most of these platforms they won't accept your regular NI or voters card. They might request for international passports, and if you don't have that, your fund might just get stuck. So it's very important to ensure your account is verified before you perform any transaction with the application. So it's as simple as that. So that's just a step-by-step guide on how to create an OKX account. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't like, putting their ID online and all kind of stuff like that. That's not a problem. With the state of this account as it is, you can do some certain things like you can trade sports, you can convert your cryptocurrency, you can trade P2P, only that there are limitations to the amount of transactions you can carry out per day. So that's it. And one thing I like about this OKS platform is its transparency, and their conversion from one crypto to another is actually free, just like Binance. And there's something important I want to show you guys. If you come right here to the top left, let me click on that. And once you click on that, you tap on this N button right here. So let me do that. Yeah, this is actually what I wanted to show you guys. This USDT new user only, 30% APR in just 3 days for USDT. This actually means you will stake your USDT on OKX for 3 days and you'll be getting a total of 30%. Let me go to my calculator and show you guys the total profit you make in 3 days with just 1,000 USD. So I'm now in my calculator, so let me put 1,000 USD multiplied by 30% APR. So that's 300. So I'll divide this by 365. So meaning we're making 0.82 USDT in a day. So now let me multiply this by 3. So we just want, although this is not much actually, it's actually for those that have huge capital. Let me try with 5,000 USD times 30%. So that's 1.5 divided by 365 multiplied by 3. That's 12 USD. At least this is something. Instead of just having your funds in your wallet, you can just take it for 3 days and um you have this total amount at the end of 3 days as profit, which you can withdraw or sell at OKS P2P. So it's as simple as that. But before you can use this feature, you have to verify your account. So if I click on this, you see I'll be prompted to verify my account. So you have to verify your account. So and aside this, you can just use their simple N platform. You just keep making money. As you can see, USDC, you have a total of 10%. As for me, I like going for stable coins. I like going for USDT, USDT, TUSD, and stable coins like that, BUSD. So let me go to my OB account and show you guys some of my simple and real quick, because I would have invested on this platform, but since I already have my funds in OB, so I don't really have to transfer it here, and OB APR is actually higher than this or APR of Binance, so that's why I chose OB. I will make an explicit video on OB very soon. OB and OBN. You guys must have heard of OB. Yes, so this is my OB account. Let me go to assets and let's wait for it, and then go to my OBN right here. Let me do that. So as you can see, OB actually has greater what's it called, for their simple hand, their APR is high. I think it has even dropped. USDT was around 16% few days ago. It was around 16% few days ago, and I think USDC was around 12, but now they've all dropped to 10. Mm, Not bad, anyways. So instead of just having your phone just sitting in your wallet, you can simply put it in stable coins. So you don't have to worry about volatility of. And the good thing about simple WEN is that you can stake your asset at any time and withdraw at any time. So it's as simple as that, guys. So very soon I will drop a video of how to use OKX P2P platform. I'll perform a live trade and show you guys some of the futures on OKX. So it's as simple as that, guys. So I hope this video is helpful. If yes, kindly click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video on this channel. So thank you once again and bye.